take you on a cruise if you're down. I might put an ass on snooze if you're down. Maybe we could break the rules if you're down. Just let me know, yeah, if you're down. Love you 'cause I'm showing up with you. Like baby, when I fall, you pick me up.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today is on a Tuesday evening and I'm supposed to step out, go do my monthly shopping, and this is how I'm going to be looking. My hair is not done, I just did it. I have an appointment coming up in the course of the week. So if you've been on this channel long enough, you know that we normally do our shopping in Carrefour, because you guys, those people, they always have something that is going on promotion. So let's step out and I'll see you when we get back so that we can get to unpack. Time we get into the kitchen and do some actions. The only problem I have is I don't have a big working area in my kitchen, so we just need to do it from the floor. But I'm manifesting a bigger space, a bigger kitchen, and we're gonna come back to this video. But for now, let's use what we have here. So guys, this is the situation, and honestly I don't know where to start, but let's start with this. Here we have our box of milk. I find it much more economical to just buy that. And on this shopping bag, we have our Indomie and our tomato paste. We also have our coconut milk, and we bought sugar as well. Sugar we bought 4 kgs, and unga we bought think also 4 like that, and a kg of salt. So that's our first bag. In the second bag we have these tissues, and this gallon of tomato sauce, and I was running out of garlic, so I had to restock. I also bought 5 kgs of rice and blue band and citric acid. We also bought this too. So we are done with the second bag as well. Onto the third bag we have our loaf and another pack of indomie. So there are 2. And we have spaghetti and I love tangawizi, so that had to be there as well. And my soy sauce. We also have jam, zester, and see, I love this one. So sadly I didn't find my preferred tea bag, but it's alright. We also bought this, which is the last item on our third bag. I normally buy this 5 kg, is usually enough for a whole month. So on to the second last bag, we have these towels and we also have this bar soap. We also bought 5 liters of cooking oil and another pack of serviettes. I think we have 2. Yeah, this pack, the other one should be in the other bag. And we also bought this. We also bought another pack of this, so this makes them 3. Another pack of serviettes. Now this is the bag of toiletries. We have my sanitary pads, toothpaste, charcoal, and this foil. We also have, I bought 2 of this because if you know me, you know I love lavender, and I needed to test this as well just to have 2 different scents. And this, we already have so much soap, but a little more doesn't hurt, right? We also bought this for our bulb, our bedroom bulb. Also bought this and shampoo and matchbox and hand soap. And finally we have a pack of cuddles. And that's how my shopping looks like. So just a preview before we put the mansion tree, that is. Guys, good morning. Today is on a Thursday at around 8 and I just woke up. I have a meal appointment at supposed to be in town by 8:30, and that's what I'm trying so hard to keep time. So yeah, let's do this. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another day, another vlog, another awesome day. Anyways, it's 9 at night and I just got back home and I figured let me vlog you guys. I mean, look at that. I'm just coming from a salon and they did my hair so nicely, my makeup and my nails, you guys. Like, I'm just over the moon. I wish I could just stay like this up until tomorrow, but it's not possible. So I just came back, like I said, and I'm super exhausted. I don't see myself getting in the kitchen, so I bought some quick bites in town. That's what I'm gonna be having for supper.